Imagine managing 50 TikTok accounts, 20 Instagram pages, multiple Reddit profiles, and several e-commerce stores without touching a single physical phone. Not emulators, not virtual machines. Real cloud-based Android devices with unique fingerprints, isolated environments, mobile IP integration, automation systems, AI tools, and full remote control from one dashboard. That's GeeLark. And honestly, this changes how social media scaling works forever. Most people trying to grow multiple social media accounts run into the same problems. Accounts get flagged, devices get linked, platforms detect suspicious behavior, shadow bans happen, engagement drops, and eventually, entire workflows collapse. Because social platforms today don't think like websites anymore. They think like mobile ecosystems. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, even dating apps and e-commerce platforms. They all prioritize genuine mobile behavior. That means if you're still relying only on traditional anti-detect browsers or Android emulators, you're already behind. GeeLark approaches this completely differently. Instead of simulating browser identities, GeeLark gives you actual cloud phones running in the cloud. Real Android environments, each one isolated, each one behaving like an independent mobile device. When you first open GeeLark, it doesn't feel like a normal social media tool. It feels like a control center. On the left side, you manage cloud phone profiles. Inside each profile is a complete Android device running remotely. And these aren't identical copies. Every cloud phone has its own unique fingerprint, different MAC address, different hardware ID, different system configuration, different mobile identity, meaning every account you manage appears like it belongs to a completely separate real user. That's the critical difference. Platforms aren't just tracking cookies anymore. They analyze device-level behavior, hardware consistency, mobile environments, user patterns. GeeLark was built specifically for this new generation of platform detection, and that changes everything for creators, marketers, e-commerce sellers, and automation teams. Let's say you're running multiple TikTok theme pages. Normally, scaling becomes risky fast. You log into too many accounts from one device. TikTok notices. You switch regions improperly. Accounts get restricted. You automate aggressively. Shadow bans start appearing. But inside GeeLark, every account operates in its own isolated cloud phone. You can assign separate proxies, separate regions, separate app environments, separate mobile fingerprints. So instead of looking like one person managing dozens of accounts, it looks like dozens of independent mobile users naturally operating across different devices. That's why so many people are now moving from traditional browser automation into cloud phone ecosystems. Because mobile-first platforms trust mobile behavior more than desktop behavior. Now here's where GeeLark becomes much more than just a cloud phone platform. Automation. This is where the system becomes incredibly powerful. Inside GeeLark, there are three major automation systems: RPA, Synchronizer, and API integration, each one designed for different levels of scale. Let's start with RPA. GeeLark already provides pre-built automation templates for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And these templates can automate actions like logging into accounts, uploading content, scrolling feeds, liking posts, commenting, warming up accounts, and even engagement workflows. But what makes this interesting is that it still behaves inside a mobile environment, not browser simulation, not fake desktop interaction, actual Android app behavior. And that matters, because platform algorithms increasingly prioritize behavioral authenticity. Now imagine scaling this across dozens of accounts simultaneously. That's where the Synchronizer comes in. This feature is honestly one of the most insane productivity tools inside GeeLark. You control one cloud phone manually, and GeeLark mirrors your actions across every other selected device in real time. Open TikTok on one device, all devices open TikTok. Upload content, every selected profile follows simultaneously. Change settings, it syncs everywhere instantly. Think about the time difference here. What normally takes hours across multiple phones can now happen in minutes. And because each cloud phone maintains its own identity and fingerprint, the workflow still remains isolated and platform safe. For developers and advanced automation teams, GeeLark also provides API access. And this opens an entirely different level of scalability. Instead of manually controlling cloud phones, you can integrate GeeLark directly into your own systems. Custom workflows, automated deployments, mass account management systems, AI-driven social media pipelines. Everything becomes programmable. This is where GeeLark stops being just a creator tool and starts becoming infrastructure. Now let's talk about something most people completely overlook: content creation. Because scaling accounts is useless if you can't produce content fast enough. GeeLark solves this with built-in AI tools. Inside the platform, you'll find AIGC features that help generate images and videos directly within the ecosystem. So instead of constantly switching between multiple external AI tools, your content workflow stays centralized. Create visuals, generate media, distribute content, manage accounts, all inside one environment. And there's also an AI assistant integrated directly into GeeLark powered by DeepSeek. So whether you need help understanding workflows, setting up automations, or navigating the platform, the AI assistant acts like an operational guide inside your workspace. But where GeeLark becomes truly powerful is real-world scaling. Take e-commerce, for example. Imagine managing multiple TikTok shop stores, Amazon storefronts, Shopee accounts, cross-border e-commerce brands. Normally, platforms aggressively monitor account associations. One linked device, one suspicious login pattern, and multiple stores can get flagged together. GeeLark isolates every storefront inside independent cloud phones with unique device identities and localized proxy support. So each store behaves like a separate mobile business operating naturally within its own region. That's incredibly important for dropshipping and international e-commerce, especially when accessing localized pricing, region-specific content, and country-targeted campaigns. And then there's social media growth. This is probably where GeeLark is exploding right now, because growing on platforms today is no longer just about posting content. It's about distribution, volume, testing, regional scaling, account diversification, and mobile native engagement. Creators are now running multiple niche pages simultaneously. One page for motivation, one for AI tools, one for Reddit clips, one for e-commerce products, one for faceless content. And GeeLark allows all of that to happen from one centralized dashboard without requiring physical devices everywhere. This is especially valuable for agencies and social media managers handling client accounts at scale. There's also a massive use case emerging around Reddit SEO and AI visibility. And this trend is getting bigger every month, because AI systems increasingly pull information from Reddit discussions, social platforms, and community-driven content, meaning brands now want visibility inside these ecosystems. GeeLark makes it easier to manage multiple Reddit accounts, region-specific engagement strategies, and content distribution workflows while maintaining account separation. That's why a lot of growth marketers are now combining Reddit automation, social SEO, and AI visibility strategies together. But with GeeLark, users can control multiple cloud phones remotely and participate in these ecosystems at scale, again, without stacks of physical phones everywhere. And here's something developers will appreciate: testing environments. If you're building mobile apps, you normally need multiple Android devices for compatibility testing, different OS versions, different performance environments, different device conditions. GeeLark currently supports multiple Android versions from Android 9 all the way to Android 15. So instead of buying physical hardware repeatedly, developers can instantly test apps across cloud devices remotely. That massively simplifies QA workflows and performance testing. Now, one feature that quietly makes a huge difference: proxy management. GeeLark centralizes your entire proxy infrastructure. Instead of manually entering credentials every time you create a new profile, you simply build your proxy library once, then assign proxies directly while creating cloud phones. Cleaner workflow, faster deployment, better organization, especially important when managing large-scale operations. Platforms trust mobile native behavior more than traditional desktop behavior. Creators are scaling content ecosystems instead of single accounts. Businesses are managing global storefront networks. AI-generated content is increasing distribution speed dramatically, and automation is becoming essential infrastructure. GeeLark sits directly at the center of all of these trends: cloud phones, AI tools, automation, proxy management, mobile identity isolation, team collaboration, content scaling, all combined into one ecosystem. And honestly, this doesn't feel like a simple utility tool anymore. It feels like the operating system for large-scale mobile growth. Whether you're a creator, a marketer, an e-commerce seller, a Reddit growth strategist, an agency, or a developer building automated workflows, GeeLark gives you the infrastructure to scale in a mobile-first internet. Go to GeeLark and explore the platform yourself. Because the future of social media growth isn't happening on one phone anymore. It's happening across entire cloud ecosystems.